Hello everyone, and today's session we are going to look at the next topic in the design thinking methodology is called empathy mapping. Empathy mapping it is it is a collaborative tool which is used to collect the customers' data, visualize their needs, and then condense the data into charts and then help consider what customers want, not what you think they want. So that's a very important point I need to emphasize here. That is what customers want, not what you think they want. That's a very important point in the customer empathy mapping. So it is a strategy to develop the empathy that is directly you can put yourself in the user's shoes. So try to imagine what it's like to be in their situation and consider how they might feel about your product or service. So this may help you to identify the areas where you can improve the user experience and create more meaningful connections with your users. So somebody may have some doubt what's the difference between sympathy and empathy. So because the empathy is something different from the sympathy. If you look at in sympathetic situations, listening, you are trying to be so sensitive to the other person needs. While in empathetic situation, listening, you're actually attempting to imagine yourself in the situation and trying to understand what they are talking about and how it might affect them. So, by truly understanding the needs and the desires of users, you can create experiences and that are meaningful and impactful. So, what is and where does this empathy tool will be most used? So, this empathy mapping tool that provides a deeper understanding of the customer's requirement more than what is stated. So you look at this screen there, this empathy mapping, which consists of four different stages for the from the user's perspective. The first stage is called says, the second one is feels, and third one is does, and last one is the thinks about it. So does say, what does it say that? What does the user explicitly say? For example, suppose you run any mobile service center from that, so the user may directly say that I wish the process was little faster, so, which means that the direct quotes or paraphrases statements from interviews, surveys, observations that users may tell it to you based on the service you provide to them. The next one is the feel. So, how does the user feel? Suppose you take your mobile phone, which some applications are being installed, and they're asked to about to fill some information in the app to access it. So while filling the app, the customers may feel or they may come with that frustration, excitement, anxiety during their experiences. For example, you look at when you're about to fill that some statements in the mobile phone, suppose it is gets freezed and it is not moving at all, you get frustrated about it. So third stage on this empathy mapping is the do. So here it says what actions or behaviors does the user perform. So sometimes when you are about to do some actions, you want to have some break or you want to skip that steps. So that is what the observed actions of the body language or the activity during a task. So last one is the thing. What the user will think about it. Will this feature will make my life easier when they go for attempting some customers in their businesses or which may be the info thoughts or concerns or motivations begin their actions and words. So this is because this tool, empathy mapping tool, will help the design thinker gain a deeper appreciation and understanding of people's emotional and physical needs. That's the way they see, and that's the way they understand, and that's the way they interact with the world around them. So this empathy mapping is a very effective tool to understand the people's uh, feelings to fulfill their expectations. Okay. Thank you.